Welcome back. You were looking at an older version of Optimize Press, a WordPress plugin for page building. And the same feature that we're going to look at exists within both new versions of Optimize Press and other page building systems. You have available to you what's called an exit redirect. And basically, when the individual attempts to leave this page, they're going to get a message asking them for permission to redirect them to another page. So what you can do in the exit redirect is you can write a message for an individual to stop and look at another page. You'll then need to determine where the redirect URL is going to be. This is one use that we can make of the downsell button on the main product area. Basically what we're saying is that if someone goes away from this product page, we still want to credit the affiliate for a sale that's made for a redirect. So we're going to click Add Downsell. In this case, we're going to add this product to a specific downsell. We're then going to click Save. What we now need to do is we need to get the page URL. We need to copy this page URL. We need to place that page URL inside of our exit redirect area. And we're going to place the redirect URL here. We're then going to click Update. And what we've basically done is we've made it so that when an individual exits this page, they're then going to be sent to another offer. And that offer is now going to be a downsell that we have set up inside of this offer so that the affiliate will get credit if there is a sale made from the exit redirect. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.